My hair is dry. Obviously, I did not come here to slay or play because I have to deep condition my hair. It's so dry. Naturally Philo actually contacted me to do a video using NaturAll Club's deep conditioner. It's avocado based 40 times more concentrated than a regular conditioner. And trust me, it feels that way when you use it because I've already used it once. And there are 2 uses in each pouch. I think this is 4 ounces of conditioner. Yes. So this is a dry hair solution, all natural, avocado, shea butter, glycerin, water, other stuff. You have to keep this refrigerated because it is perishable. I did have the full solution box, which came with a shower cap, the deep conditioner, of course, a spray bottle, instructions, a hair tie, and of course, this balm, serum, balm, I don't know. It's basically oil, and I just use it on my lips. I don't put it in my hair at all. I just feel like it should be my lip balm. Listen, it feels good on my lips, okay? My hair is really dry. I haven't washed it in a week. It is definitely time, and I'm just gonna section it off. So I've already done 2 sections of hair, and basically all I'm gonna do is just finger detangle-ish and deep condition at the same time, so that way it's easy for me to wash my hair. Usually if my hair is properly detangled before I wash it, or if it's somewhat detangled before I wash it, I don't have a problem detangling after the process. If I don't do it beforehand, I'm gonna have some serious problems, a lot of knots, a lot of tangles. So this is very important. So pay attention if you're one of those people like me who tends to tangle up and shed like a dead rat. This is where you start paying attention. So I'm going to just separate the hair. Now, I'm going to separate my section. Next, I'm gonna spray this section of hair with water. After the water, I stretch out my hair so it's easier for me to manipulate and easy for me to get rid of the shed hairs and all of that. Now, I'm just going to use a small amount of product, this much. It smells so good and herbal, and I have 2 hands. Right hand for the roots, left hand for the ends. So I'm grabbing the ends with my left hand, I'm grabbing my right hand and going at the roots and just getting in there and making sure I get all of this hair and then work it down to the ends. And that way I use less product. The water helps the product distribute nicely. Any product distributes better when you already have wet hair. When your hair is dry, you end up using more product. And now I'm gonna put my hair in a bantu knot and do it again. I'm grabbing my section of hair and spraying it with water, working the water through to stretch it out and make it easier for me to work with, and just separating some sections, making sure everything's nice and detangled before it shrinks up. A little bit of product I'm just squeezing out. Right hand for roots, left hand for ends. So I'm just gonna grab the ends of my hair, get at my roots, around my roots, and now work my product through completely. My whole head is done. I have this much product left after 2 uses. What I'm gonna do now is cover my head with a shower cap. And I'm also gonna cover it with my hot head. 20 to 40 minutes is the recommended time to keep this on your head. I'm gonna try to go for 40. And then I'm going to wash my hair with these products. You know, if you grew up black, you probably have some sort of familiarity with the brand Pink, Luster's Pink. They sent a pen, curl and twist pudding, apricot oil, shea butter, coconut oil, detangling co-wash. This is what I'll be using to co-wash my hair today. 40 minutes later, I'm here to rinse out my deep conditioner. And it doesn't look like I have product in my hair, but you will see it when the water starts running through my hair strands. And all I'm doing is taking out my bantu knots. My hair feels really moist, hydrated, and it's stretched out nicely. I really didn't want to rinse out the DC after applying it because I just kind of wanted it to stay there forever, you know. I wish I could use it like a regular product. I don't know. I feel like maybe I could get away with it, but I'm not willing to risk it all just yet. So after the deep conditioner is totally rinsed out, I go ahead and go in with the co-wash and just really work it through, apply generously and make sure everything is clean because I'm not using a regular shampoo and I just want my hair to be clean because it's gonna be about a week before I do this again. So now I am rinsing out my co-wash and I will be using the rest of my pink products to share with you guys how I do a heatless flexi rod set with purple flexi rods. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will talk to you guys in the next one. All the information will be down below, and make sure you subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and comment before you leave. Bye.